guys, I hope you're having a good day.
Today we're going to show you some tips and tricks on how to get additional living space in your home. Watch this.
Alright, that's what I'm talking about. I mean, look at that extended living space.
Yep, that's just one of the awesome features that Ziptrak has to provide. Follow us and we'll show you a little bit more.
So it can get a bit hot out here at the balcony, and what I love about the Ziptrak is that it blocks up to 98% of UV rays using 1% polyweave fabric. You know, it can protect you from the harsh weather conditions, rain, the wind, the heat, and insects as well.
Yep. And on top of that, Ziptrak has an exclusive dual brush insert. What that means is that your blinds are automatically clean. I repeat, automatically clean.
I like the sound of that. So what I really love about the Ziptrak is that it is very versatile. You know, you can install a Ziptrak in a U-shaped balcony, in a Z-shaped balcony, in an L-shaped balcony.
Yes.
C.
And as you can see, our balcony is a rectangular shaped balcony and we have two Ziptraks. And what's really awesome is that we can operate them both separately and remotely. We can have one up, one down, both up, both down, doesn't really matter.
But my favorite thing about the Ziptrak is the option for privacy. I can do my private things now out in the balcony without having to worry about prying eyes. I can do my fitness routines or even my meditation. You know, this is such a great corner now. I feel like Doraemon enjoying this dorayaki while I enjoy this beautiful view thanks to the installation of the Ziptrak.
Yeah, speaking of installation, the process of installation for us was really smooth. It took about 4 hours and the guys were really friendly. On top of that, they were very professional and very clean. You know, they laid like a plastic sheet to make sure they didn't get dirty. It's great.
It was a very swift process. The experience overall was great. You know, shout out to the Curtain Boutique. Thank you so much for hooking us up with the Ziptrak. I mean, we wouldn't have it any other way.
Yeah, and if you're looking to install the Ziptrak, you know, please contact the Curtain Boutique. I guarantee you it's going to be a great experience. It will change your house. And Amanda and I, we back this up 100%.
We love our house even more now.
Yeah.
Cheers, baby.
All right, cheers.